Hi guys, 38 POS Racing. This is Racer. Ever have a thermostat gasket? Cleaning up everything, new gasket, maybe a little smear on there, and she keeps leaking? Might be that ain't true. It's not flat, it's bowed. Show you a way to clean that up. Got a chunk of glass here, some sandpaper. Let's see. You can see it's taken off the edge here and back here, so this is bowed. And if you sand this way, you can get her straight. Don't go this way because it'll rock.
That's gear drive. It is in a cordless drill in there. That's what's going to be cool.
Well, I gave it a shot with some 80 grit because it was a little worked further than I thought. Now we'll smooth it back up.
Oh, that's cool. That's how you know you got to have a good window.
This is 120.
Cordless drill, you got to have it up like a
And kind of hold it down low by the bolts. Another keeping it from rocking. There you go, guys. Look at how that cleaned up there. Give it a shot when you got one leaking. Might help you out. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.